Body baby oh, na 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 yeah. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh, to make you dance.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I want to say big thank you to you on clicking on this video. I appreciate that. And I make videos on hair and as well on makeup. I do hair tutorials for those who want to learn how to do their hair, and also simple makeup tutorials for those who are new to makeup. Today's video tutorials, as you can see from the title, is going to be a Valentine inspired makeup tutorial. It is going to be very easy to achieve, even though if you're new to makeup or playing with colors. So let me let you guys continue to watch. Please do not forget to subscribe and share these videos with your friends and family. Leave me a comment down below what videos you would like to share, you would like to see next. And yeah, please watch the video to an end. I'll see you guys on my next video. Let's get started. I'm going to prime my face, and the primer I'm going to use today is the Makeup Magnesia, just to keep the shine on my face to the minimum. And I'm just going to apply that in the affected area on my face. I usually get oily around my nose, my forehead, my chin, and some other part of my face, but I'm just going to apply it on my nose, my forehead. This is the best for me. This is the best primer for oily face, for people who have oily skin. On it. This is the now that is a little bit dried up. My eyebrow is not the best today. I've tried everything. It doesn't look the best to me, but I'm just going to work with it this way. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm currently using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I did a review on this foundation, and I'm going to mix the C9 and the C10 together, because the C9 I think is a little bit dark for me, and this is not quite the best shade yet. So I'm going to mix both of them together. I'm just shaking it properly, and I'm going to mix 1 drop of the C9 and 1 drop of the C10. So guys, I wanted to know what you guys want to see on my YouTube channel. I really want this YouTube channel to grow this year. It's 2018. I've been on YouTube for more than a year now. I started my YouTube channel in 2016, December 16, 2016. I'm over a year now, a year and a month on YouTube. So I wanted to just have a chit chat with you guys, just to see where you guys are at, what you want to see more on my channel. I do hair videos, I do makeup tutorials. My makeup tutorials are not the most popular tutorials I have on my channel. And yeah, I do hair tutorials, I do makeup tutorials, but I wanted to see what you guys are more interested in. If you're more interested in the hair tutorials that I make, if I look at my channel, I think my hair tutorial are more popular than my makeup tutorial. Makeup is really what I really love to do. I love to do hair, but makeup is also something that I really love to play with. I'm not a professional makeup artist, so if you're on my channel, don't expect to see everything perfect or professional. I'm just showing you guys my own ways that I apply my makeup, what I like to do with makeup. I don't think this is enough. I think I will have to go in with a little bit more. I'm going to go in with the darker shade. I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm sorry guys. I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it all out. I think this foundation is best with beauty blender. So I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend it all out. So this is going to be like a very simple Valentine makeup tutorial that you can just rock, especially if you're new to makeup and you don't really know much on how to apply all these things, or you just want to look pretty that day, something special You know, a lot of people get proposed to on Valentine. Some people, there's so many things that happens on Valentine's Day. So you just want to look your best on that day. So I'm just applying this all over my face. I like to apply this with the beauty blender. I think for this foundation, I'm going to take that over my neck. I mean, it looks a little bit dark for me, but I'm going to just brighten it up with
be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh, I'll give you love and affection, I'll give you love and protection. Money go far like Ojo, say I want you to be mine. Money go far like Ojo, say I want you to be mine. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Let's go, let's go. Auntie Miko, come on, brother Miko, come on, sister Miko, come on, uncle Miko, come on. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Na 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 na, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Na 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 na, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Na 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 na, yeah. It's Body baby oh, Body baby oh. Na 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 na, yeah. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, fella, so hey, show my baby love, Leo, Leo. Let me be your man tonight, tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like, you like. Money, go far like Ojo, say I want you to be mine. Money, go far like Ojo, say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh, I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh, I'll give you love and affection. I'll give you love and protection. Money, go fabale kojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go fabale kojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ah, yeah. Kejo, let's go, let's go. Auntie mi ko komole, brother mi ko komole, sister mi ko komole, uncle mi ko komole. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Na 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 na, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Na 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 na, yeah. It's Buddy baby, oh. Buddy baby, oh. Na 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 na, yeah. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, fella, so hey, show my baby love, Leo, Leo. Let me be your man tonight, tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like, you like. Money, go fabale kojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go fabale kojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I just want you to be my lady.